bit cracked up. We were missing a wheel trim arch here. Paint sealing off on this side. So today we're going to change the bumper. Okay, so that's the top one done. We'll get to the sides now. So we're going to take this plastic trim off and then we can undo the bumper. Stupid plastic clips, they just break. There's another 10 mil on the side here. Now this side is obviously a bit easier. Stuff underneath the release now. Not really a lot of room underneath for filming, but there's one plastic push clip, doofus clip, and then there's two metal bolts. They look like they're 8 mils. 3 fasteners on either side, and then once we get those off, we should be able to peel the bumper face off. So we got one fastener here. It's covered in dirt. Can't really see it. And then there's one right there. So this is the air intake, and they got this little piece here, and underneath that, so I can't lift it and hold the camera, but there's a plastic push clip. So you got to take the mouth of the air intake off to take the grill, this top piece off. Seems silly to me, so I'm gonna take that clip off. I'm just gonna pry on this, take that clip off, and I'm not putting it back on after. If you have parts left over, you're actually doing it better than the manufacturer. Alright, so we got the turn signal housings disconnected. I just got to take the grill off and the sort of upper faceplate, and then we can transfer all that stuff onto the new bumper. Just a series of Phillips screws, looks like 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. And then there's like fake screws. They're made of plastic holding this faceplate on. So that irritates me. So these are a different style where you just push down in them to take them off. They come out a lot easier than these threaded plastic screws. Why did they do half and half? That bothers me. That's the old bumper. You can see a big chunk taken out of it. You know, paint peeling off there. And here's our shiny new bumper. Covered in cornstarch. I don't know why. So obviously the license plate frame needs to be centered. So there is actually dimples here, which is helpful because then I can actually find the center by just lining up. forgot a step. These little slide-on threaded clips, they're on the bottom of the bumper, and they're used to keep the plastic skid plates, the splash guards. It's to help attach those to the bottom of the bumper. I forgot to take them off the old bumper and put them on the new one. So now I have to do it while I'm underneath the car, which isn't that big a deal, but had I gotten it right from the beginning, it would have been faster and easier. So I got to put those on, and then that's all that's left to do actually, is to attach those splash guards on the bottom. So once I do that, I'm done. I can put the license plate on and I can go do better stuff.